Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to recycle Das air dry clay. My Das air dry clay was partially dried out in the packet. It was too hard to use, so I broke it into pieces and put it in a Ziploc bag and soaked it with water with a spray bottle. And then I allowed it to sit overnight, and 24 hours later it's ready to use. Before clay can be used, it must be conditioned properly. It must have the correct amount of wetness. Here I'm adding water to the clay to soften it up a little bit more. And then you wedge it, and you knead the clay to ensure even consistency. When you press down on the clay, you squeeze it and you use a rolling pin on it. You compress the clay and you bring all those molecules together. This entire process takes about 15 minutes to do. Here I'm pressing down on the clay. Here I'm using a tissue blade to clean up my surface of the table. Squeezing. Tapping. Hand rolling. And finally using a rolling pin. And then rinse and repeat until you got your block of clay ready to store. Here I'm using a little bit of cornstarch on my rolling pin, and that will keep the clay from sticking to my roller. Another reason why you might want to reconstitute your clay is because this clay costs $10 a block. Once you are finished reclaiming, recycling, and reconstituting your clay, put it back in the package. And then take 2 sandwich bags, 1 Ziploc bag and 1 sandwich bag, and put your clay into the sandwich bag and then into the Ziploc bag, and it will ensure your clay is airtight for the next time you use it. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.